In the past 12 months, I've managed to generate close to 20,000 euros by literally doing nothing. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a website that I've been using to literally generate this money by simply doing nothing. Alright guys, so the website in question here is robo.cash, right? Or RoboCash Investment Robot, right? Now I'm going to start by go ahead and tell you about the company. So let me go ahead and click on the about page here. And as you can see, RoboCash is a fully automated investment platform launched back in 2017. And today it is open for investors throughout the European Union, the UK and Switzerland. Right? The platform is an integral part of the financial holding Una Financial, which is headquartered in Singapore. Apart from RoboCash, the holding comprises of fintech companies in Europe and Asia, right? And the platform offers to investors in short-term or long-term loans issued by the affiliated lenders, right? And they also offer a full buyback guarantee, which I will explain a bit later. But in a nutshell, the full buyback guarantee means that at any point in time, you can easily buy back or receive your money if you need to. And also, you know that your money is 100% safe and it's 100% guaranteed that you will get back your money, right? So in a nutshell, that is what they do. Right now, if you scroll on here, you can see their performance, their geographical investor, where these people are located, right? The registered invested, how many registered investors they have. So you can see over the course of the years when they started, it has been growing significantly and steadily. Right here you can see the investors' income. So you can see that people are literally making money rapidly with this system, right? And if you scroll on here as well, you can see the investment volume, how much money people have been investing, right? So if you see, guys, there's quite a lot of information you can get on the website. Here you can see the team, the CEO, the executive officers, right? Quite a lot. And as you can see, they're pretty transparent, right? Now, let me go back to the home page and just show you how it works. So here you can see simple, reliable, convenient, right? You can earn up to 11.8%, guys, per annum and buyback guaranteed. And as I explained to you before, the buyback guaranteed means that your money is 100% safe and is 100% guaranteed. So let's say, for example, you invested $1,000 and for some reason something come up in your financial life that you will need to get at least 200 or even the full money back. You already set up your portfolio, you already start to invest the money, and you see that the money has been sent out, the money has been lent, right? And you need this money right away. All you have to do is just simply head back to the system and click sell, 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 and sell those loans out. And within minutes, your money will be back to your account that you can simply go ahead and withdraw to your bank account, right? And within 3 to 5 days, your money will definitely be back into your account so that you can have that money. So 100% buyback guaranteed. Another thing that I want to mention as well, if there is, example, late payment, you are 100% sure that RoboCash will credit you back your money on top of that with the interest. So it doesn't matter, your money is 100% safe, right? Now let me scroll on a bit and show you a bit more how it works, right? Maximize your earnings. So as I said before, I've managed to earn close to 20,000 euros within the last 12 months, right? So if you come here and you realize how much money you can easily generate. So let's say you have 50,000 euros in the account. Within 366 days, you can get a profit of 6.5 thousand euros. And this is just an estimate average, right? You can literally make more because there's also the option of you reinvest the entire amount or the profit. And if you read in the fine prints here, they mentioned that this is just a rough estimate. It depends on various factors and you might be able to earn more or less, right? So as I said, there are various ways how to reinvest your money or to invest your money so that you can maximize your earnings, and I will show you that just a bit later. So here's how it works, guys. You register with their system and you will send money through your bank to the RoboCash company, right? Which the RoboCash system will definitely lend the money to the borrower, right? So the borrower will pay them back with interest, and then the money will go to RoboCash. RoboCash will send the money to your bank. Bank sends to you. Quite straightforward process, right? Now let me scroll on here and show you how it basically works. So you simply create an account with RoboCash. That will take a few minutes. You need to provide some proof of identification. So that could be like your passport or your residence permit you will need to scan that document to show this, of course, to prove your identification, right? You create a portfolio. So once you register, you have everything set up. You create a portfolio by saying, okay, the portfolio will be like, let's say 200 euros, 500 euros, 10,000 euros, 1,000 euros, you name it. And how you want to manage this investment. If you want to invest into a specific type of loan, or you want the RoboCash system to do it for you, right? As well, you can say you want to reinvest the profit or you reinvest the entire thing. I will show you how that works, the different options you have just a bit later. But this is just the idea to give you that you create a portfolio based on what you want, and then they will take care of the rest for you and you will simply earn the interest, right? Pretty straightforward process. And here is the income options, guys. We will use 1,000 euros as example. And you will invest 1,000 euros. Then once you get your profit, it will go back to your balance. This is the first option. The second option is reinvest the full amount. So you put 1,000 euros there, and whatever interest or money you earn on that, it will take the entire amount, your interest, along with your 1,000 euros, and reinvest it. So guys, this option to reinvest full amount is the option that allows me to make close to 20,000 euros in the past 12 months. And I'm going to explain how I did that. Now, I've been using RoboCash since 2018. And I've been using it like a savings account, right? Let's say a saving account that literally makes me money. So every single month, I also put some money there. On top of that, I also have my portfolio, which I've set up multiple portfolios, that whatever money I have in that portfolio, it will reinvest the full amount on top of the profit that I earn. So I don't take money from it. It just simply works in the cycle by reinvest everything over and over and over and over again for years. And that has allowed me to make close to 20,000 euros in the past 12 months, right? Very interesting. Now, the next option that they have here, guys, is to reinvest the principal amount, right? So this is another option that you can do, right? But for me, as I said, this option works best for me by reinvesting all of that money, whatever I earn, on top of how much money I had, and also on top of the money that I keep putting there month after month, right? And the last option, guys, is the payout option. So let's say you put 1,000 euros there and you make a profit of 100 euros, right? And you will just pay out 1,100 euros. As simple as that. So that's the idea, guys. And just a point to note, you have to reach at least 50 euros, right? So that it can automatically transfer to your bank account. But I also want to mention that you can invest any amount. You can start with 20 euros, you can start with 50 euros, you can start with 100 euros. It doesn't matter, right? But you have to reach at least 50 euros into the account. So let's say you invest less than 50 euros and you make 49 euros, then you're not able to withdraw. So you have to have at least 50 euros into your overall account so that you can withdraw that money to your bank account, right? And if you scroll on here, guys, you can see that there's quite a lot of information and documentation about this company. You can come to documents here and you can see information for investors. You can see financial statements, everything. They're pretty transparent, guys. So you are able to find all information you need about the company. Here you can view them by going to this link. If you click here, this will take you to the web page where you can find all the information, documentation that you need, so that you can have peace of mind and that you can know what this company is about, how they work. So everything is pretty straightforward. On top of that, guys, I want to share some additional information to let you know that you can get a weekly update or a monthly update. They will send you this by email. And also, I want to mention that you have to access this through a website, because at the moment, I believe they don't have a mobile application available. So you have to simply log into the website through your mobile browser or through your computer. Doesn't matter, right? But it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and it's definitely an option that you should consider. I know that there are quite a lot of high yielding savings account that you can simply try, but I'm telling you, this is one of the best way how you can simply save money on the side, because your money will not just stay into your bank account. You can have your money work for you over time, and over the course of certain years, you can simply have your money work for you, and definitely you can make good money with this. Come on, guys, this is up to 11.8%. And as you can see, in some cases, you can make up to 13% based on the amount of money that you have there, right? So this is definitely a great way how you can let your money work for you, earn interest on your money, definitely a great way how to invest. You can simply put the money on the side here and have this money make money for you over the course of the year or years, definitely. So guys, I want to take the opportunity to share this with you guys, because for me it has been mind-blowing how I've managed to make close to 20,000 euros in the last 12 months. And guys, I know that this money that I've invested might not be typical for some people because I've been doing this for years, but I must say, earning 20,000 euros by simply saving and doing nothing else, by simply investing my money there, it is simply something really worthwhile, and I wanted to take the opportunity to share this with you. And there you have it guys, RoboCash. This is the website that has allowed me to generate close to 20,000 euros in the past 12 months. Now, I know that for a lot of you, this result is not going to be typical because you will have to put in a certain amount of money in order to get that return. But as you can see that you can simply use this as a strategy to save, and on top of that you can earn up to 11% per annum by simply putting your money there and leave it. And the best thing about it is that this is 100% safe and you can easily withdraw your money at any point in time. But for me, I just left my money there and it grows over the past 12 months. And I was shocked to see how with compound interest, I was able to make close to 20,000 euros by simply putting my money there and totally forget about it. Now guys, this is one of my many income streams that I've been utilizing to simply generate money on the side by simply doing nothing. If you found some value within this video, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Real Money Wisdom, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.